Welcome to How To, and today we're going to teach you how to make a paper airplane. So first you want to grab your paper, and then you want to make two folds. And let me make the two folds first. So all you gotta do is fold down the corners like this, and let me get the other corner folded. So it should look like this after you make the first two folds. And then you want to make a fold again. Two more. And it should look a little bit like, the folds should look a little bit like this. So let me get the other fold. So it should look like this, and then you'll fold the two sides together, and now it should look like this, and then you fold those sides down, but it should not look like this, and I'll show you what it should look like. Alright, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. You just have to wait a little bit more. And now it should look like this. And let's do a test fly. That was terrible. Please like and subscribe.